So, hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you a complete placement solution. So, let me know if I am audible for you and also if I am visible for you. Then we can start with the session. So, I hope I am live now. Okay. So, definitely please comment here so that I will come to know that I am live and we can start with the session, right? Okay. So, our today's class is going to be very important. So am I live? My video is moving. Okay, why don't you do in shortcut tricks for aptitude? Okay, so I'm com okay. I feel this video is little slow. So can you please confirm? Very good afternoon. So can you please confirm if I am visible and audible and everything is fine? Because I feel there is a lag is there. So please let me know if everything is clear. Then we can start with the session. Fine. Okay. Then because I was feeling there is a lag, so if it is not there, okay, so Lucifer is asking why don't you do in shortcut tricks for aptitude. So Lucifer, the reason why don't we do shortcut tricks, right? For shortcut tricks you need to know the basics, right? And when we are teaching aptitude in live classes, then definitely, right, we need to consider the people who knows basics, right? Otherwise the shortcut techniques you will not be able to understand. Then you will say later that sir, I am not able to understand, so that should not happen. Okay, fine. Now, so let us start with question number 1. So please do like the video and also call your friends. So if they want to attend aptitude, if they really want to crack aptitude, then please call them. And this time we are going to crack TCS at any cost, right? Okay. Now question number 1. So if you'll see, this is a question from percentage. Then we have question from again you can say profit and loss, and then we have question from number system, we have question from data interpretation, we have question from mensuration, right, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder, we have question from LCM and HCF. Okay, we have question from again mensuration, we have question from time, speed and distance. So we are trying to cover each and everything in the classes, right? So, and one more thing friends, so let me just start with the timer. So I will just start the timer. So 1 minute timer, so that we will be able to solve the questions in the time. Okay, so 1 minute timer. Okay, so fine. Now this is what we need here. Okay, done. So I will be giving you 1 minute time, and in that 1 minute you will have to solve the question. Okay, fine, done. So let us start with the question number 1, and I have given you the solution which generally people do in examination. So as a result of 25% hike in the price of rice per kg, a person is able to purchase 6 kg less rice for rupees 1200. What was the original price of rice? Okay, so this solution is already here, such a big solution, and I will tell you the tricks for this, right? Sir, could you teach aptitude from scratch? I don't know at least basics. So Bharat, so definitely I will teach you from the basics. For that you need to join our TCS NQT crash course, right? So here we are doing it from the basics. Anyone able to solve? So we have another 20 seconds. So as a result of 25% hike in the price of rice per kg, a person is able to purchase 6 kg less rice for rupees 1200. What was the original price of rice per kg? Come on. Can anyone answer? Can anyone answer here? Okay, now. So this question we will first try to understand and then we will solve, right? Okay. So no problem. So this is the solution. This is a lengthy solution which generally you will be reading from the book, or which other platform they will tell you this kind of solution. But there is only 2-3 lines of the solutions are there. Now please try to understand. So suppose the price of rice, okay? So suppose the price of rice is 10 rupees per kg. So 10 rupees per kg. And monthly you are consuming 20 kg of rice. So how much will be total expenditure? So total expenditure will be 200 rupees. Please try to understand. I will tell you the solution. The solution will be very easy. 4 to 5, then write 5 to 4. Actual difference is 6, so this will be 30, this will be 24. So 1200 divided by 30, and you will be able to mark the answer 40. But how does it come and how you will be able to solve? So that is what I am going to tell you, the short tricks. So I am going to tell you the shortcut method for this. So suppose the price of rice is 10 rupees per kg and you are consuming 20 kg rice in a month. That means total expenditure you are doing is 200 rupees, and this is your consumption, and this is nothing but price. Okay, so price into consumption will be equal to your expenditure. This you can understand it, right? Okay, as a result of 25% hike, so 25% will be equal to what, my dear friends? It will be 25 by 100, that is nothing but 1 by 4. That means from 4 the price has been increased to 5. From 4 the price has been increased to 5. See, 1 by 4 means the price has been increased by 1 from 4. So from 4 the price has been increased to 5. Now because of that a person is able to purchase 6 kg less. Now here you try to understand, if the price is increasing, then the person is reducing his consumption. That means the expenditure always remains same. So expenditure always remains same. So how the expenditure will remain same? So the consumption, so consumption from 5 you will have to make it 4, right? Then only you can say price into consumption is 20 and price into consumption is 20, right? So when the price is increased, then we have to reduce our consumption. So from 5 the consumption should be 4, right? And then only our expenditure will be same on both sides. This much if you understand, then so what is the difference here? So earlier 5 kg was the consumption and now 4 kg is the consumption. So the difference is 1, right? Okay, but the actual difference is nothing but 6. Now they are able to buy 6 kg less. So 1 is equal to 6. So 5 will be equal to 5 into 6 is 30 and 4 into 6 is nothing but equal to 24. That means earlier they were buying 30 kg rice, but because of price increase they are buying only 24 kg rice. Okay, so in 1200 rupees, how many? In 1200 rupees, right, they were buying 30 kg rice. That means the price was 40. The price was 40 rupees. Option B will become the correct answer. And now you tell me if it is correct for you or not. Now if you tell me if you understood this or not, we will be having one more problem where we will practice. But please comment if this is clear for you, and also please put a like if you are able to understand. It's a very simple manner. I told you 25% hike, that means 25 by 100 is nothing but 1 by 4. So the price has been increased from 4 to how much? 4 plus 1, 5. Then the consumption will be 5 to 4 because the expenditure remains same. Now the difference is 1, right? Now the difference is 1, but actual difference they are telling is 6. So 5 into 6, 30, 4 into 6, 24. Earlier they were buying 30 kg, now they are buying 20 kg. So they are asking original price. So in 1200 rupees they were buying 30 kg, that means price is 40 rupees. That's all done. Okay, so 60 is the wrong answer, 60 is the wrong answer, 40 is the correct answer. Now let me know if it is clear or not. One more time I will tell you, please try to understand. See, 25% hike, so 25 divided by 100, that means 1 by 4. So the price has been increased from 4 to 5, right? We know price into consumption will be, right? So no, 4 to 5, right? So 4 to 5, that means your price has been increased 4 to 5. So your consumption, right? So your consumption will be 5 to 4. Then only expenditure remains same, right? Then only expenditure remains same. Consumption, then only expenditure remains same. So you write 4 to 5, then 5 to 4. Now what is the difference? So that means earlier your consumption was 5, now your consumption is 4. So that means there is a difference of 1. But actually they are telling, that he is able to buy 6 kg less. So 1 is equal to 6. Now this 6 you multiply with this. So 5 6 are 30 and 4 6 are 24. That means earlier they were buying 30 kg, now they are buying 24 kg. So in 1200 rupees they were buying 30 kg, so the price is 40 rupees, and now this should be clear to everyone. Is it clear? So I explained it once again. I explained it once again. Now this particular problem I want you to solve. So this particular problem I want you to solve, right? So this particular problem I want you to solve. So now this particular problem I want, see how 5 to 4, that's what I said. See your price into consumption, right? So your price into consumption is expenditure. Now see, when the price increased from 4 to 5, then consumption should reduce from 5 to 4, because we want to keep our expenditure same. See, price is increasing, right? So what we will do, they are reducing their consumption, right? So this is 20 and this is 20, so expenditure remains same. So expenditure remains same. If you are not able to understand, right, then what you can do, so you can write 4 to 5 and then 5 to 4, no problem. So as a result of, see, 25% is what? 25 by 100. That means 1 by 4. That means the price from 4, it is increasing by 1. It is becoming 5. Right? So this is in the previous class also we have discussed. As a result of 40% hike. So 40% will be 40 by 100. That means 2 by 5. That means the price has been increased from 5 to 2. So 5 plus 2 will be what? 7. 5 plus 2 will be what? 7. Right? Then our consumption will become 7 to 5, right? Because see, this is our price and this is our consumption, so our expenditure should remain same. Our expenditure should remain same. So our expenditure will remain same only when the consumption, if you reduce from 7 to 5. Now the difference is what? So difference is 2, but the actual difference is, sir, 10, right? So 1 is equals to 5. Now 7 will be equal to what? 35, and 5. So 5 into 5, 25. That means earlier they were buying 35 kg and now they are buying 25 kg, right? So 1400 and then 1400 and they are buying 35 kg. So this also the answer will be, rupees 40, and this is the correct answer. Let me know if it is clear for everyone. Please comment now. So please comment if it is clear, right? So please comment if it is clear, and if you have doubt, please ask me, then I can tell you once more. See, you do not have to use much of your mind. You do not have to use much of your mind. 40%, that means 40 by 100. 40 by 100 means 2 by 5. That means from 5 the price is becoming 5 plus 2, 7. So your consumption will become 7 to 5. Directly write 7 to 5. Now the difference is 2, but the actual difference they are telling is 10. So 1 will be equal to 5. So if 1 is equals to 5, 7 will be equal to 35 and 5 will be equal to 25. Now 1400 rupees is there. So 1400 divided by 35 and 40 will be the correct answer. That's all done. That's all done. Okay. Please comment if it is clear for everyone. Please comment if it is clear for everyone, because I have repeated 2-3 times. So I have repeated the same thing 2-3 times. So please let me know. PDF we are providing in the TCS NQT crash course. So if you want PDF, please I will explain you sometime later. Okay. Now the next question is, a man bought an article and sold it at a gain of 10%. If he had bought the article at 20%, how do you tell 5 to 7? Arey bhai, see, multiple times I told 40% will be 40 by 100. So this is 2 by 5, right? That means the price was earlier 5 and now it has increased by 2. So 5 plus 2 will be equal to 7. So 5 to 7. Clear? Same thing I told it here also. 25% will be 1 by 4, right? So from 4 the price is increasing by 1, so 4 plus 1 will be equal to 5. So from 4, 5, right? So the basic, see, I'm not able to do the difficult problem because for you guys you are not able to understand the basic itself, right? So cracking the TCS will be very, very tough. Please try to understand. You have to work on your basic first. Now, a man bought an article and sold it at a gain of 10%, right? Okay. So I am assuming that a man bought a article at 100x. Okay. So I am assuming that a man bought an article at 100x, right? Okay, and selling it at a gain of 10%. So 10% of 100 will be what? 110x. Clear? Fine. Now if he had bought the article at 20% less, if he would have bought the article at 20% less, so 100 20% will be 20. That means if he would have bought at 80x, right, 80x, and sold it for 1000 more, he would have made a profit of 40%. So what will be the 40% of 80? So 40% of 80x will be, sir, it is 32x, right? Okay, 32x. That means if he would have, if you would have bought at 20% less and sold it, right, and sold it for 1000 more, he would have made a profit of 40%. So 80x plus 32x, that means 112x, right? So what will be the selling price? 112x. Now please try to understand. So here the selling price and here the selling price, what is the difference? So difference is 1000 rupees, right? Later on he is selling for 1000 rupees more. And what is the difference? So this is 112, right? Okay, and now what is the difference here? So 2x. So 2x is equals to 1000. So x will be equal to 500. They are asking, so the cost price of the article, so cost price of article is 100x. So 100 into 500, and it will be nothing but 50,000. Option A will be the correct answer. A wonderful question, but using the shortcut approach, we have solved it very quickly. Now let me know where is the doubt. I will explain you once more. See, 100 rupees is the cost price I have assumed. So this I have assumed 100x, right? Okay. Now they are selling at a gain of 10%. So 10% of 100 will be 10 rupees. So it will be 110x, right? Okay. Now they are telling if he had bought the article as 20% less. So 20% less means 80x. And if you would have sold 1000 rupees more, means earlier whatever they are selling, right? So now 1000 rupees more, then he would have made a profit of 40%. So 80x, right? And what is 40%? Sir, 40% is 32. Then if you would have sold at 112x, right, then the difference here is 1000 rupees. So you see selling price, so 2x, 100x, 110x minus 112x, 2x is the difference, is equals to 1000. So x will be equal to 500. They are asking the cost price, so 100x, so 100 into 500 will be equal to 50,000, right? So these are the unique method which we will be using to solve the problem which has been asked in the TCS, right? Is it clear for everyone? If it is clear, please let me know in the comment section. Please let me know in the comment section if it is clear for you, right? And then we can move ahead with the next question. Please comment, everyone. Please comment and also like the video if you are enjoying the classes, right? So basic, definitely I am not doing very basic problem. Please try to understand, right? See, one thing which we have done, so we have started the live classes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Monday verbal ability by Isa ma'am, Tuesday coding classes by Nitin, Shruti and Sika ma'am, Wednesday by Pratik sir, Thursday coding by Nitin sir, Friday aptitude reasoning by Pratik sir, and then Saturday we are doing the live mock test. Okay, and friends, we have given lot of results. So here you can say placed in TCS digital, placed in TCS prime, placed in TCS prime, right? So you know the TCS digital is 7 lakhs per annum and TCS prime 9 lakhs per annum. Again TCS prime 9 lakhs per annum. So there are a student who had really qualified, right? So again you can say TCS prime for 9 lakhs per annum, right? So you can see the results which we have given. So we have given the results in Deloitte, we have given the results in different companies, Accenture, right? So we have given the result for Ninja, we have given the result for digital. So a lot of results definitely we have given, and this time also we are going to give, because the way we are working is totally different. So live classes are there for the TCS NQT crash course. Okay, and I will just show you here. So and then we can continue with the classes. So the crash course, right? So the crash course of the TCS is launched Recorded and live both classes are there. So you have seen, right, the live classes schedule here, right? So the live classes schedule you have seen. So Monday to Friday we have the Saturday we have the live classes, and already the basic. So if your basic is not good, you can go through this aptitude numerical ability where basic videos are there, right? And coding basic videos are there, reasoning basic videos are there, verbal ability basic videos are there, and fully solved. There is one PDF file for 500 plus questions. So each and everything, test series is there, interview course is there. The link is in description. Enroll right now, and this time TCS at any cost we have to get selected, okay? And also if you want to be part of our Achievers 2.4 batch, you can be a part of this Achiever 2.4 batch. Both link will be given in the description, okay? Now let us come back and try to solve question number 4 here, okay? And do like the video if you are able to understand, right? See friends, we just want you to crack TCS this time, nothing else. So a person sold a house at 15% profit. Same thing, step by step we will do. Step by step we will do. So suppose he had bought in 100x rupees and he sold at 115x. Okay, now if he had purchased it for 25% less. So if he had purchased it for 25% less, that means 75x, right? Friends, this kind of solutions, right? So at any other places, so they will, what they will do? So they will just, take x, y, and they will make the problem very, very complicated. But here we are using shortcut method to solve. If we had purchased it for 25% less and sold it for 60 less, okay, so whatever you are selling now you are going to sell at 60 rupees less, then there would have been a profit of 32%. So now if we had bought it for 75x then and sold it for 60 less, he would have got a profit of 32%. Calculate 32% here. So 25 4 ja, 25 3 ja, and 4 8 ja. So basically 24x. So 75x plus 24x, that means 99x. Now he bought at 75x, and if he will sell at 60 rupees less, he will get a profit of 32%. That means he will sell at what? 99x. 99x. They are asking find the cost price of the house. Okay, no problem. Now friends, so if you will see the difference of selling price this and this, 15 minus 9 is 6, and 10 minus 9 is 1, 16x. So basically 16x is equals to 60, right? Because in terms of x we have 16x, in terms of rupees we have 16. So now x will be equal to 16 by 60 by 16, and they wanted the cost price. So basically we have to find out 100x, right? So just multiply with 100, right? So just multiply with 100. So 4 4 ja and 4 15 ja and 425 times. So 15 into 25 will be 375 in, right? So in very less amount of time you will be able to solve this complicated problem. So this is not a simple problem, this is a complicated problem, right? So this is a complicated problem, but if you understand this approach, then it will be very, very easy for you to solve. Whatever in the question they are telling, just do that. See, 100x profit is 15x, then 75x they are telling profit is 32x. 32x is nothing but 99x. So what is the difference? The difference is 16x, but they are telling now he is selling for 60 rupees less. So 16x is equals to 60, so x is equals to this 100x, so multiply by 100, you will be getting 375. Now please let me know if it is clear for you. Please like the video and tell me in the comment section. It takes a lot of effort in explaining all those things. And see, these are not the simple problem, these are the problems which you will be finding it in your examination, right? Okay, so definitely basic is very much required. So here they told, so a person sold a house at 15% profit. 15% profit means, suppose this we have assumed 100x, profit 15% means 115x, right? Okay, now they're telling if it have sold at 25% less, so 25% of 100 will be 25, this means 75x. Now they are telling because of 60 rupees less he will earn a profit of 32%. 32% is 99x, right? Okay, and now you could see the difference is 60 and they have sold it at 60 rupees less. So 16x is equals to 60, so x will be 60 by 16 and then we have to find out cost price 100x. So 60 by 16 into 100, we got 375. And now I think it should be clear to you. Course is very useful, sir. Thank you. But you could provide 1 year validity. Tejasri, so 1 year validity is also there. So what you have to do, right? So you can see Achievers 2.5 2.4 batch. So go to the course, and once you click on buy now, right? Then what will happen? So basically you will have to select the duration, 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months, and then you will be able to, right? And then you will be able to get that clear. So please comment if it is clear for everyone. And just a minute. So for me the live session is not working. Okay, so 1 minute. Let me see. Okay, fine. Okay, so now it is working. Explain once more, sir. See, why did you multiply by 100? So because Naveen, why did we multiply by 100? So try to understand. They are asking the cost price. See, forget about this. One more time you see. So 16x is equals to 60, right? So x is equals to 60 by 16, right? Now, they are asking find the cost price of the house. What is the cost price we have assumed? 100x. So 100x means multiply 100 both the side. That means multiply 100 both the side. Sorry, multiply 100 both the side, and now you will be getting 375. So that is the reason we have multiplied. So that is the reason we have multiplied. So Sayak Khalil, so other method is quite complicated, so that's the reason I am not telling you, right? Okay. So now Naveen, is it clear why did I multiply by 100? So the reason I multiplied by 100, because we have to find out cost price, and cost price is 100x, right? Okay. Now the next question. So for the next question I will give you the timer. So for the next question I will give you the timer, and let's see how many of you are able to solve, right? Okay. So reset. Okay, now start. So how many zeros are there at the end of the following product? So how many zeros are there? Can you please like the video, friends? So how many zeros are there at the end of the following product? So Sack Khalil, there are methods are there, right? Basic method, which will be very much complicated. See here, whatever method I am trying to explain you, please try to understand it. It's very easy. It's very much related to the basics. So if you are lagging at your basics, then you need to join that TCS NQT crash course or Achiever batch, where everything has been done from the basics. Naveen, is it clear? Why did we multiply by 100? Please let me know. So Naveen, is it clear? Why are we multiplying by 100? Okay. So those who are not able to understand in once, first thing is basic, because TCS exam level is tough, right? So I cannot solve basic questions, right? So if you are expecting the questions like this, so if somebody is expecting the questions like this, so Sam bought, right? So Sam bought a house at 1500 and sold it at 20% profit. So find his selling price. So if you are expecting questions like this, then we are not going to do that, because the level of the TCS is very good. If you want to crack TCS, then definitely you will have to solve this kind of problems with smart approach. Otherwise you will not be able to solve the questions in exam. So please don't expect this kind of questions. I'm not going to do that. These are very basic level of the question. It will not be asked in TCS exam. These are the questions which you are able to see are the good questions, and this you will be getting it in your examination. Okay, so please try to understand. I can do questions only with respect to your examination. Okay, now so Bhargavi has given the answer. So Mohit, for 999 the course validity is 6 months, and for Achiever batch 1599 the course duration is 1 year. Can you please like the video, guys? See, that is what, if you like the video, I will understand that you are appreciating my effort. How many zeros are there at the end of the product? Okay, now, so you see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 6 zeros. 6 zeros till now we have got it, right? Okay, now you see 5 into 2. 5 into 2 will be 10. One more zero we got, plus. Then 25 into 4. 25 into 4 will be 100. 100, how many zeros will be there? two zeros we got. And then we can see if we are able to, okay, and then 15 into 6, 15 into 6 will be 90, one more zero we will get. So total 10 zeros we will get if we'll multiply the complete number. In exam you do not have to go and multiply the complete number. Don't sit and start multiplying 55 into 45 and into, and then multiply by 35. So we have to use our mind to understand the things, right? So right, so we got six zeros we cancelled, and then one zero, and then two zeros, and then one zeros. So by that way we have found it out, all the zeros, and total number of zeros are 10 here, right? So option A is the correct answer. Please let me know if it is clear for everyone. Do like the video, and then we will start with the next problem. Come on, please do like the video. See, we are putting a lot of effort today also 7 p.m, right? So today also 7 p.m we have a live class, and I wanted you to attend, right? So today also we have 7 p.m live class for verbal ability. So guys, please take it seriously. We wanted you to clear TCS exam this year. So can you please comment everyone? Saik, Rajia. So you are getting doubt in every question. Please watch the live session once again. Okay. Please watch the live session once again, because these problems are simple. Okay. Fine. Now the next question. Okay. So this is a data interpretation question, and in TCS you will be getting questions from data interpretation. Now can you try to please solve this? Total cost for the constructions is rupees 72 lakhs. What percentage of amount spent is more for cement as compared to the amount spent on bricks and stones? Okay, so please try. So guys, whatever questions we are doing, all are wonderful questions, and definitely this will help you a lot to understand and then do the problem in the exam. Okay, so total cost for the constructions is rupees 72 lakhs. What percentage of the amount spent is more for cement as compared to the amount spent on bricks and stones, right? Okay, come on. So basic is required for every problem, okay? If your basic is not good, then you will face problem. Now, no one has solved it. Very good. So we have around 100 people right now, and we could see no one has solved it. Now, so if we'll see in cement, right? So in cement they are spending 65 degree, right? See, if it is percentage, then you could have easily solved, right? But this is in degree. Okay, no problem, but you have to concentrate for some time. Whatever I say you have to understand. Okay, now bricks and stone 36%. For some time you forget about degree, forget about percentage, forget about each and everything. So let us do it step by step, then things will be clear to you, right? Okay, now, so what percentage of, forget for percentage sometime. So what is the amount spent is more for cement as compared to amount spent on bricks and stone? So it is 65 minus 36. So sir, 29. 29 is the amount which is spent more on cement as compared to bricks and stone. Is it clear, my dear friends? Is it clear? Okay. Now read the question once again, and we will take percentage in the consideration. Okay, fine. So what percentage of amount spent is more for cement as compared to the amount spent on bricks and stone? Now the comparison is happening from bricks and stone. So bricks and stone will come down, right? So bricks and stones will come down, right? And what is the difference? Difference is 29. Multiply by 100 to find out percentage, and then this will give you around 80.5 percentage. So option D will be the correct answer, right? Okay, one thing I will always tell you, please keep in mind. So friends, you know Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi, right? So whenever Narendra Modi will talk, then he will tell, I am great, I have done a lot for the country. Rahul Gandhi has not done anything. So he will put Rahul Gandhi down and him himself up. Whenever Rahul Gandhi will talk, then he will tell that I have done everything, Congress has done everything, Narendra Modi has not done anything. He will put Narendra Modi down and he will keep it himself up. So it is very, very clear. So when you are comparing, so that time you have to keep the things down. Now, so if you will try to see here what percentage of the amount spent is more, so it is 29 as compared. So whomever they are comparing, that will be down. Amount spent on bricks and stone, so it will be down. Multiply by 100 to find out percentage, it will be 80.5 percentage. And now tell me if you have any doubt. So tell me if you have any doubt. If you have any doubt, comment that okay sir, it is clear, and then I will tell you how you have to deal with degree and how you have to deal with percentage, right? So when you are solving the problem. But till now, please let me know if you have any doubt, and do not forget to like the video. It takes a lot of effort, right? So continuously we have to talk, but we wanted you to clear TCS, man. I don't want anything else. I just want you to clear or crack TCS, right? Okay. So for everyone, is it clear? Please like the video. And now I will tell you what exactly you should have done. Shall I erase this? Shall I erase this? Come on, tell me fast. See, if you guys will not comment, it's clear. Okay, fine. Now let us see and try to understand here. So they have given the total cost for constructions. So friends, see, whenever you have angle, right? So whenever you have angle, then we need to convert it to percentage because your options are given in terms of percentage. But sir, why did not you do it for this particular question? Each and everything will be explained. But first, try to understand. Now, so 360 degree. So if you'll try to count 60 add, then total will be nothing but 360 degree. So 360 degree will be equal to 100 percentage. So 1 degree will be equal to 100 by 360. Okay. Now, so if you want to convert this degree into percentage, then what you'll have to do? So 1 degree is 100 by 360. So 60 degree will be equal to what? 60 into 100 divided by 360, right? Okay. So by this way, you will be able to convert into the percentage, right? Okay. Now, and if you have to calculate the total value, then you will be calculating 672 lakhs, right? And 60 degree. So now basically we are going to convert into the percentage. So this will give you the total value. So you can say 1010 cancelled, 36 twos are is nothing but 72. So 2 6 are 12, 1200, right? So this value will become 1200, right? And this in lakhs we have taken, right? So that you will have to convert it in percentage, right? Okay. So, and anyway, when you are converting it to percentage, you have to divide it by 100, right? Okay. So that you will have to do it. Now, so this is the way you will be able to convert. But now, what we have done here, if you'll try to understand, right? So in this particular question, so for cement, what is it? So for cement, it is 72 lakhs, right? Into what? 65 into, then we will have to convert into 100 divided by 360, right? Okay. And then what you will have to do? Same thing here also. Same thing for bricks, 72 into 36 into 100 divided by 360, right? Okay. Now what you would have done? So we would have, right? So we would have subtracted first, right? We would have subtracted first, and then you would have divided, so that all those things will get cancelled, right? So that will get cancelled, right? So that will get cancelled. Now this two 72 72 72 will get cancelled, 100 by 360 will get cancelled. So basically you will be getting 65 minus 36 by 36. So that's the reason we do not convert here degree into percentage. Is it clear for everyone? So that's the reason we did not convert a degree into terms of percentage, and we did it directly. Now if it is clear for you, please let me know. If it is not clear, that also you tell me. Is it clear for everyone? So why did not we convert? Otherwise, because these values will get cancelled, so that is the reason we had not converted. See, I wanted to give you the deep concept from the problem. Okay. Now, next is mensuration, right? So next is a mensuration problem, and this was basically fill in the blanks. So we had to place the values here, right? So we had to place the values here, approximate values we had to place it. Okay, fine. Is it clear for everyone? Please let me know in the comment section, and also please do like the video. So the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1320 centimeter square. Now if you would have seen the cylinder, right? So basically the cylinder looks like this. So your cylinder looks like this. So your cylinder looks like this. Okay. Sir, is there any chance to change the center after registration in NQT exam? I don't think you will be able to change the center. Okay. So this is nothing but your circular right cylinder. Okay. So from here till here, and this will be the radius. This will be your radius, and this will be your height. So this is what your cylinder looks like. Okay. Now, so the curved surface area. So curved surface area is given. So curved surface area, curved surface area, curved surface area, that is also called as CSA of the cylinder is 320 centimeter square. Okay. Now, and if its total surface area, so total surface area is 130 percentage of the curved surface area, that is 1320. So curved surface area will be 2 pi RH, and total surface area will be 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Friends, in your exam, one thing which you need to understand is, right, so there will be fill in the blanks question. Okay, so you will have to fill in the blanks questions also will be there, so that you have to keep in mind. Now one more thing, friends. So what is this curved surface area? So this curved surface area will be nothing but this particular part, right? So I don't have a paper, otherwise I would have explained you, right? So just let me get a paper for you so that you will be getting the complete visibility. Okay, so now the curved surface area. So if you'll see a cylinder like this, right? So if you'll see a cylinder like this, so basically your cylinder is something like this. Okay, I hope it is you are able to see this. So your cylinder will be like this. Okay, now and if you open it, then it will become like this, right? So basically this will become a rectangle. So rectangle area will be what? So rectangle area will be what? Length into breadth, right? Length into breadth. So that's the reason here it will come 2 pi RH, right? So because it was a circle, and you opened it, right? So it was a circle and you opened it, so 2 pi R, and here it will be nothing but H, so 2 pi RH. And total surface area, this 2 pi R square, where it will come? So this is one circle, circle area is pi R square, and this is one circle, pi R square. So that is nothing but 2 pi R square. So what I wanted to tell you, friends, even in mensuration, don't try to remember the formula. Even without using formula, you will be able to solve the question, right? Okay, now, so anyway, total surface area is 130% of the curved surface area. Now this, if you try to solve, so 132 into 10, 1320, and 3 2s are 6 and 39. So it will be 6171. So it will be 1716, right? Okay, fine. No problem. So 2 pi RH is given 1320 plus 2 pi R square, and it will be equal to 1716. So 2 pi R square will be equal to 1716 minus 1320. So it is 6, it is 9, and it is 3. So 2 pi R square. So 2 pi R square. So R square will be equal to 396 divided by 2 pi, and they are telling pi you can take 22 by 7. So 396 divided by 2 into 22, and 7 will come here. Fine. Okay, now no problem. So 2 will divide this by 198, and 22 will divide this by 9. So R square is equals to 63. So R will be somewhat equal to 8, right? So little lesser than 8. So you can say 7.95, something like this. So you could have put your value 7.95. Approximate radius. So approximate radius will be 7.95. Now please let me know if it is clear for you. I am teaching you everything. I am trying to teach you everything from very much basic, so that you perform well in the exam and you will be having the complete clarity. Is it clear? Please comment. and also don't forget to like the video. So please let me know if it is clear for everyone. Please comment down. See friends, you have to be little interactive in the class. If you are not making the classes interactive, then definitely I will think that okay, I am teaching to some wall. Can you please comment down here if it is clear for everyone? Come on. And don't forget to like the videos as well. Shall we move to the next problem? Shall we move to the next problem? Is it clear? Okay, Mohan, what about other? There are so many people are there. Please let me know. Tejasri, clear? Clear, sir. Okay, clear, right? For everyone, clear. Very good. Now, nice. Okay. Question number 8. So, question number 8. What will be the remainder when the square of LCM of 4, 6, 12, and 15 is divided by the square of HCF of 51, 119, and 323? Very good. Thank you, guys. Okay. Now, so they're asking what will be the remainder when a square of LCM is divided by a square of HCF. So let us first calculate the LCM. So LCM of 4, 6, 12, and 15, right? And here HCF of 51, 119, and 323. Now, so friends, when you are solving HCF LCM problem in the examination, right? So you have to be very, very careful, okay? So how you are going to calculate the LCM and HCF, okay? Now, so always remember, now if I ask you, so what will be the LCM of 246, right? Okay. So LCM of 246 will be, you will tell sir 246, that means LCM will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 3 ja, right? So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. So LCM will be nothing but 12, right? Okay, fine. Now what I say is, so your LCM will be always a multiple of the bigger number. Your LCM will be always the multiple of the bigger number. So let us start with 6. 6 is not divisible by all three, so that is done. Then what is the next multiple of 6? 12. Now 12 is divisible by all three. 2 4 6. Yes sir, yes sir, that means 12 is your LCM. Same thing, so here what we will do, so we will start with the multiple of 15. So 15 is the bigger number, we will start with the multiple of 15. 15 is divisible by 4? No. Then next multiple of 15 is 30. 30 is divisible by 4? No. Next multiple of 15 is 45. 45 is divisible by no 60. Then 60 is divisible by 4? Yes. 60 is divisible by 6? Yes. 60 is divisible by 12? Yes. And 60 is a multiple of 15. So now my LCM will become 60. Now my LCM will become 60. Clear? Okay. HCF. Now what is HCF? See, first understanding LCM and HCF is itself is a big task. Now HCF, suppose if I ask you to calculate HCF of 15, 30, 45. So 15 factor will be 15 into 1, 30 factor will be 15 into 2, and 45 factor will be 15 into 3. HCF means, my dear friends, highest common factor. So HCF is nothing but highest common factor. Highest common factor, right? Highest common factor. So what is the highest value which is common in all three? Sir, 15. That means my HCF will become 15 here. Same thing, here we have 51, here we have 119, and here we have 323. Now we know this 51 we can write 17 into 3. This 119 we can write 17 into 7. And 323 just try to divide it by 17. So 17 2 ja 34. 17 1 ja 17, and 12 minus 7. Okay. And 17 9 ja. Okay, so this is 17 into 19. Now what is the highest common value in all three? So sir, 17 is the highest common value for all three, so my HCF is nothing but 17. We got LCM, we got HCF. Now they're telling, so square of LCM, so a square of LCM 60 square, and then divide it by the square of HCF 17 square. So 3600 divided by 289. Now just divide it. So 3600, and then you have to divide it by 289. So it is one time 289. So this is 1, and this is 15 minus 8 is 7, and 0, and then 2 times, so 2 nines are 18 and 57. So it will be 10 minus 8 is 2, 10 minus 7 is 3, 132. So 132 will become the correct answer for this particular problem. And now let me know if it is clear for you or not. Please let me know in the comment section. Please comment and also like the video and tell me if it is clear for you or not. Okay, because I am trying to tell you from basics, right? So I am trying to give you the knowledge from the basics, right? But if some people, if the basic is not that great, then definitely they will have to join it, right? So his CF 217 aa raha. So his CF I also told 17. They are telling squares of HCF, squares of HCF. It's okay. They are telling squares of HCF. Please read it completely. This is what we do in the examination. Okay. So don't do this kind of mistakes, right? So 3600 divided by 289, and that's how you have to solve. It will be 132. Now question number 8. So before we go ahead and solve question number 9, friends, I just wanted to tell you once again, right, that we have the live classes, right? So you can see here the live classes which is happening every day. Monday verbal ability by Isa ma'am, Tuesday coding class by Nitin, Shruti, and this is happening on our application, so on our app. Okay. Wednesday aptitude and reasoning by Pratik sir, Thursday coding by Nitin sir, and Friday aptitude reasoning by Pratik sir, and Saturday live mock test by Pratik sir. And this is happening especially for TCS examination. Right now many people were asking, if you are a student of Achiever batch, then also you will be getting all the live classes, right? So friends, we have launched TCS crash course. So there are recorded contents and everyday live classes, so you will be able to understand basics. So first cover the basics, attend the live class, each and everything will be crystal clear. And I wanted you to send a image like this, that sir, I cleared TCS digital, I cleared TCS prime, right? I cleared prime for 9 LPA, I cleared digital for 7 LPA, I cleared Deloitte, I cleared Blue Pi, I cleared Accenture. Like this, I want you to send a mail or a message to us, right? Okay, so the link is in description, please do check it out. And if you are really serious in cracking the exam, please go ahead with that. Now question number 9, and for that we will start with the timer. Okay, so we'll start with the timer. So friends, we are putting a lot of effort for you guys, right? So 999 rupees is the course fees for TCS NQT, but you will be prepared for all the examination, right? So you might have seen the shortcut techniques, the actual method, each and everything we are telling it to you. A metallic cuboid was processed by the way of which its length, breadth, and height got increased by 10%, decreased by 8%, and 5% respectively. Mm. So what is the percentage correct up to 2 decimal places? It's very difficult to speak for continuously 1 hour. So I don't even take a break. That's okay, fine for you guys, because see, whatever we had today, it's all because of you guys. So it's okay to get that, no problem. Now, so now you can see, okay, so your time is up. Okay, fine. So let's see how can we solve this. So a metallic cuboid was processed by the way of which its length breadth and height got increased by 10%. So I'll just remove it off. So its length, breadth, and height got increased by 10%, and then breadth decreased by 8%, and its height increased by 5% respectively. Then what is the percentage decimal places, right? So change in its volume. Now, the first of all we need to know, so what is the volume of a cuboid? So what is the volume of a cuboid? It is length into breadth into height. Okay. Now, so Naveen, you can give paid NQT. So Ritvik, see that TCS NQT crash course. So it is recorded. It is recorded plus live, right? So already 600 plus videos are there, and daily live classes are happening, right? So Monday to Saturday daily live classes are happening. Now, so volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Now, many people will take length is x, breadth is y, and height is z. Friends, I have told you multiple times. So in any question, right? So in any question or in your real life, if you take x, either you take in maths or you take in your real life, always problems will increase. Agreed or not? So either you take maths or you take your real life. So if you consider x, the problem will increase. So timing 7 to 8 p.m. Okay, now, so what I'm going to do, length I am assuming 100, breadth I am assuming 100, and height I am assuming 100. Sir, why? What is your problem? I have told you multiple times. So if the options are in percentage, so if the options are in percentage, that means you are free to assume any value, right? So you are free to assume any value, right? Okay. So yes, SK rules, you are right. So X means always a problem. Now length is increased by 10%. 10% means it will become 110. Breadth is decreased by 8%. So 8% of 100 will be what? 8. So this will become 92. And then height is increased by 5. So 5% of 100 is what? 5. So it will be 105. Now we will try to multiply. So this if we multiply, then, right? Okay, now this if we try to multiply, so 105 into 92. So see, don't get afraid with calculations will be easy only. So it is 0 516 426 966, and then 966 you multiply with 11. So 669 669, so it will be 6 6 6 12 and 16 and 10. So it will be 10626 with two more zeros, right? With two more zeros, 246. So 24347. Now friends, here you please try to understand. So here you please try to understand. So I am going to tell you something. See, now two zeros cancelled. See what I'm trying to do. If the base is 100, and if I ask you, I have got a profit of, if the increased value is 106, you will directly say, sir, 6%. If your base is 100, and if I will tell you, okay, this much, now you tell me what is the percentage increment? Sir, it is 6.26%, right? The reason is, when your base is 100, then you will be easily able to solve the problem. Now, so now I'm trying to make it 100. So I will divide this by 100. So 20 cancel. I will divide it by 100. So one decimal will come here. Now you can directly say by seeing this, sir, there is a profit of 6.26 percentage. There is an increment of 6.26 percentage. So my option C, so increased by 6.26 percentage, will be the correct answer, right? So 6.26 percentage increment will be the correct answer. Now let me know if it is clear for you or not. So see, the problems are complicated if you don't know how to use the techniques to solve that, right? So how to, if you don't know the techniques, that how should you solve the question, then definitely you will feel that it is tough, right? Okay, so can you please, is it clear? सर आपके पास सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर का रिक्वायरमेंट है क्या? नहीं सर, मेरे पास नहीं है. So Ritvik, what we have done, so it is 100, then 110, 8%. See, here it is 10% profit, means 110. Here it is 8% decrement, then it is 92, and 5% increment means 105, right? I multiplied everything. So we have, so I multiplied everything. So we got this and this. Now I wanted this base as 100, right? So what I did, I divided it by, suppose 4 times 0, 1 2 3 4. So 4 zeros cancelled, divided here also 4 0. So after 4 digit there will be a decimal. So now I can directly say that there is 6.26% is profit. Can you please comment if it is clear for everyone? So if Ritvik it is not clear, you can watch the video once again. For others, can you please let me know if it is clear? Please comment if it is clear. Then we can move ahead with the next problem. So can you please let me know, and do like the video if you are enjoying the session. See, you have to enjoy the session. Maths is not tough. Little bit of calculation is there, that we will do. Can you please comment if it is clear? So we can move to the next problem. What about others? Okay. See, even if one person doesn't understand my class, I will not feel happy. Okay. And don't forget to like the video. Come on. Very good. See, most of you are able to understand. Hmm? See, if you attend my all classes now, you will be able to relate how do I teach. Okay. So that is very, very important. Python, there is lot of compiler issues. In exams, it happens. So that's the reason I will not say Python, you go for it. Okay. Now, if a boy walks from his house to school, so there is a boy. Okay. So this is his house. So a boy walks from his house to school at the rate of 4 kilometer per hour. He reaches his school 10 minutes. So this is his school. So suppose this is his school. Okay. So here he reaches his school 10 minutes late. So suppose if he had to reach at 9, he is reaching at 9, he reaches 10 minutes earlier. Then he is reaching at 8:50. Okay. Now, then if he walks at a rate of a speed of 3 kilometer per hour. Now, if he walks at a speed of 3 kilometer per hour, then he reaches 10 minutes late. So instead of 9 a.m., he reaches just 9:10. Okay. Now, so they're asking find the distance of this school from his house. Write your answer in the box on below. So Prithvi is asking shortcut. See, for this particular question, whatever I told you, Prithvi, that is shortcut only. You see the solution somewhere. See, I assumed 100, right? I assumed 100, I assumed 100. 10% 110, 92 into 105. This is what you had to multiply 106, 26, 0, 5, 0, 0. And this was 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then, so remove this part and this part. Now you can directly tell 6.26 percentage. Now this questions, see option C. So these questions you are able to do in 30 to 40 seconds, right? Now, what is short tricks? Short tricks means what? By seeing this question, you can tell the answer. See, these are the shortcut techniques only. Otherwise, people will take, so length is equals to x, right? Breadth is equals to y. See, I am doing a mistake. I should have told you first the lengthy process. Now, length 10% increment. So, x into 110 by 100, right? And then y into, here it will be what? 92 by 100. And then z into 105 by 100. So, this is the increased value 110 by 100, right? And this is y into 92 by 100. So this kind of things if you are looking, right? So these are the tougher methods, but I am telling you using, right, I am telling you using the shortcut approach so that you will be able to solve the problem quickly in the examination. See, you can expect in 30 to 40 seconds, no less than that. Nobody can tell you something which you can solve it. Okay, so be very clear with that. So less than that, be practical. Less than that, nobody will be able to tell you. Now, so here what you have to do, so there is a formula. So distance will be equal to S1 S2 divided by S1 minus S2 into delta T. So S1 is 4, S2 is 3 divided by 4 minus 3 and delta T. So what is the difference between time? So 10 minutes here and 10 minutes here. So total 20 minutes. Okay, total 20 minutes. And now this is minute, so we have to convert into hour, so divided by 60. So 12 by 1 into 1 by 3, so it is nothing but 4. So 4 kilometer will be the correct answer. So here, so there was a box and there you had to put our answer. So 4 kilometer will be the correct answer, right? So here what we have done, so we have used the formula S1 S2 divided by S1 minus S2 into delta T, and then we have got this answer. So it was 20 minutes, so I converted it to hour. So minute, if you want to convert it to hour, divide by 60, right? Okay. Now, so this particular question, and this is the last question for today, and let me see how many of you are, how many of you can solve it, right? So please solve this question carefully. Don't do the mistake. Okay. And one more thing, friends, I once again I wanted to repeat. So please do join this TCS NQT live classes which is happening on our app as part of TCS crash course. So we have already given you the schedule. Already we have told you that we have given a lot of results, right? And we are not going to compromise with the quality. We are going to give you the quality. We are working very hard for you all. So please join the classes and make sure that you are going to crack TCS this time. Okay, and also you can check out these courses here, right? So I'll just tell you. So these are our TCS NQT crash course. Both the places the live classes are happening. So in the crash course also, and content also you can see. So there are a lot of videos, 650 plus videos, are recorded videos are there, and plus daily live classes. Achiever batch, you can see 3000 plus videos are there, and daily live classes are happening. The link for both the courses will be in the description. Please do join as soon as possible. Don't miss this opportunity. TCS will hire only once this time. Okay, now, so a jogger covered a certain distance at some speed. Had he moved 3 kilometers faster, he would have taken 20 minutes less. Okay, now, so there are two parts of these questions are there. So suppose his speed was earlier x, now his speed is x plus 3. Earlier he was taking 0 minute, and now he are taking 20 minutes less. 20 minutes less. Okay, now, and if he moved 1 kilometer slower, so earlier he was moving at x, now x minus 1, he would have taken 10 minutes more. Earlier he was taking 0 minutes, so now he will take 10 minutes. Okay, yes, by total syllabus is available, man. Who will give half syllabus? Rutvik, who will give half syllabus, man? And if I will give half syllabus, who will buy? So who will give half syllabus and who will buy, man? गजब बात करते हो. Okay, now, so distance in both the cases is same. Distance in both the cases is same. So what we will do, we will use a distance formula here, we will use a distance formula here, and we will equate, right? Okay, now s1 x, s1 s2, right? So the formula is s1 s2 divided by s1 minus s2 into delta t, and divided by, so difference is 3 into time is 20 minutes, so 20 by 60, right? Okay, now we will equate because distance is same. So x into x minus 1, right, and divided by the time difference is 1 into time is 10, so 10 by 60. Sir, why you did not do like this? So both the problems are different. So a boy walks for his house to school at the rate of 4 kilometer per hour. He is going with a speed of 4 kilometer per hour. But this question, if you'll see, had he moved 3 kilometer faster than his previous speed, right? Okay. So anyway, this 60 and 60 cancel, 0 and 0 cancel. Okay. Now cross multiplication. So cross multiplication. So x and x is cancelled. So 3x minus 3 will be equal to 2x plus 6. So x will be equal to 9. Now x is what? So x is nothing but our speed. Now don't go and put in the box that 9 kilometer, right? So this is a speed. So this is 9 kilometer per hour. Now we have to calculate the distance. So use this particular equation. So x 9 into 9 plus 3 is 12 divided by 3 into 20 by 60, that means 1 by 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. D will become 12 kilometer. So D will become 12 kilometer. So in the box you had to put 12 kilometer, not 9, because what we have received here, what we have got here is nothing but speed, not the distance. Now tell me, how was the session, guys? Did you really enjoy the session or not? If you have doubt, go back home, watch the video once again, right? But each and everything you should be able to understand. Try to understand what is the technique I am using, what I am trying to tell you. And if your basic is not very good, then definitely first you have to work on your basics. But I am doing TCS level question so that in exam you will be able to clear, you will be able to perform well. So please let me know how was the session, then only I will continue with another sessions, right? So then only I will continue with the another sessions on YouTube. And before going, please like the video and then go, otherwise I won't leave you. Okay, so now let me know how was the session, and definitely I should continue. So please let me know, so that based on that we will do. And today 7 p.m. Today 7 p.m. we have the verbal ability class live on YouTube. So don't forget to attend, right? So don't forget to attend. Now tell me, is it clear for everyone? No comments? So please let me know how was the session, everyone. Okay, thank you guys. So thanks a lot if you like the session, right? What about others? Okay, definitely we'll continue. If you like the session, then definitely we are going to continue. Okay, so we wanted you to crack TCS this time, and that's the reason we are putting all these efforts here. Okay, thank you. Okay, thanks guys. So this is definitely all your love and support, and that's the reason we are working very hard for you all, right? So this is definitely your love and support. Okay, so thank you, take care, all the very best, and we will meet again in the next sessions. So thank you till then, bye bye, and don't forget to like before you